Strong to severe storms possible overnight. Spots of rain to sunshine on Thursday. Good Wednesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see this impressive line. Showers and storms rolling across West Tennessee as of about 7:30, 7:40. 7:40, that's where the line is, and it's moving in this direction. Now, if we overlay some of those local storm reports, it looks like this. Quite a few damage reports in parts of Arkansas and Missouri. If we throw on the lightning, it basically takes away the radar picture. Now we have, over 8,000 lightning strikes just in this image alone from Indianapolis down toward Jackson, Mississippi. And if you throw in the alerts, we have a tornado watch in effect for Nashville till 10 o'clock Central Time, but nothing here except that we have a wind advisory for the Smokies that runs until 8 o'clock Thursday morning. Now, the severe storm threat, I think, will happen long before 8 o'clock Thursday morning. It should occur in that 4-hour window from 1 to 5 a.m. Now, you said, wait a minute, I'm asleep at that time. Well, if that's true, that's why I encourage you to download the Captain Accurate Weather app so you can get notifications in real time. 60-plus mile-an-hour winds, medium chance there. Low risk for tornadoes. It's not zero, but it's a low risk. And there's a really low risk for large hail. You may not get any hail out of this at all, but the medium chance of getting some locally heavy rain is still on the table. So that's what we're seeing in terms of the storm threat. Let me show you where we've seen these clouds. I see the visible satellite. You know, it fades away as the sun gets lower in the sky. We still have a lot of clouds west of Nashville, but there's some breaks in the overcast, certainly from Knoxville back toward Chattanooga. Speaking of Chattanooga, they hit 84 today. We hit 83 degrees in Knoxville. This is the warmest day, ties for the warmest day of the year, dating back to March the 30th when we had 83. And the last time we were above that, you got to go back to 85 degrees on September 30th of last year. Sevierville hit 84. Oak Ridge hit 82. I was expecting 82. Newport hit 82 degrees. Our peak wind gusts off the chart. They had a 47-mile-an-hour gust. I was expecting around 40, but we had a 47-mile-an-hour gust at McGee Tyson at 11:35 this morning. Now, as we see these clouds, they've been with us for a while today. Hazy sun. Now they're moving out. They're only going to increase as we head toward the rest of the night, as all that energy in red, in orange, in yellow, cold cloud tops around Memphis, all working its way in this direction. So let me give you the breakdown as far as the future rainfall. You will not, I repeat, not be super impressed by some of these numbers, which again suggests we could see some locally heavy rain. But I see Oak Ridge coming in about 1/3 of an inch, maybe a little more than 1/2 inch in Jamestown, about 1/3 of an inch in Crossville, maybe 2/10. I mean, that's the way this model is trending for this storm as it weakens, as it moves in our direction. Strong to severe storms are possible late tonight. Doesn't mean everybody gets a severe storm, but it's possible. I'm sure you'll hear a few claps of thunder, if not more. Spots of rain to sunshine Thursday, and then mostly sunny on Good Friday with some high, thin cirrus clouds. Here's the damage reports, quite a few actually. Most of them are wind damage reports moving across parts of Arkansas and into maybe West Tennessee at this particular time. So it's no wonder some trees could come down with these stronger winds. Storm Prediction Center shows quite a few colors here. We're watching the red area for moderate. That's for the rest of tonight, where there could be some widespread severe storms. And that includes Memphis, that includes Jackson, that includes areas across parts of central Mississippi. But Knoxville, we're at level 1. Level 1 marginal risk means there might be an isolated severe storm. And there may be more scattered storms that are severe between Crossville and Jamestown late tonight into tomorrow. If you look at and break down the tornado risk, the red areas here represent 15%. That's pretty remarkable. 15% chance there could be a tornado that develops within 25 miles of a point. That includes Jackson and Memphis. But if you look closer in here, it kind of trails off toward Gatlinburg and Morristown. Not a risk at all. In fact, the tornado risk late tonight, early tomorrow morning, maybe 2% around Oak Ridge and, say, La Follette, but a 5% chance for Crossville, Jamestown. Doesn't even put Knoxville proper in that consideration, but perhaps it does for Hardin Valley, Farragut, and Karnes, because West Knox County is included. The severe weather risk for winds, that's 58 miles an hour or higher, is still about a 5% chance. So again, these winds will come with these storms. And the hail risk is hardly on the map at all. It's still west of Jamestown in a bigger way. So again, we're not worried about hail late tonight. But let me break this down because I think this is a good timeline for us. Now that we're closer to the event, if you ever did some archery, I can hit the target if it's like right here, but if it's on the other side of the driveway, I can't hit it. You know, that kind of thing. But this is what I'm talking about. This is now, we're so close to the event modeling will do a very good job giving us some good timing. This is 11:30 tonight. Oh, I can see Jamestown. It's closing in on you at 11:30 Eastern Time. By 12:30, that's Eastern Time, that's 11:30 p.m. Central Time. It's already passed through Crossville, and it's through Fentress County. And then we take you to 1 a.m., still raining and storming around Jamestown and Oneida pretty well, but not yet into Knoxville yet. That's 1 o'clock in the morning. Now we're at 2 a.m., still just showing up signs in Knox County, but it's still lighting up the sky between La Follette, Oneida, and perhaps in and around Jellicoe. Then we move into 3 a.m. It looks like it's falling apart. There's some red areas around Maryville, Tellico Plains, maybe over towards, say, Speedwell. But I don't see a whole lot of this holding together. I mean, it breaks apart. Look at this, 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh, but you said it would last till 5. Well, we'll have some showers for sure. There's 5 o'clock in the morning, but they don't look that intense. They look like they've lost, like someone took the balloon and it went, it kind of loses some of its steam. Possibility, right? Then say 5, 6 in the morning, we still have some showers, some residual showers and drizzle. Light rain, 7 a.m., but the temperatures have cooled, and we've lost some of the expectation. It's dropped off. By midday, we may still see some clouds in Knoxville, Newport, and Sevierville, but it might be getting brighter for Wartburg, Oneida, Jamestown. Plateau, we'll see the sun first. We'll go from clouds to sunshine, and we'll be lucky to climb back to 68 with more sunshine to finish the day. So it's going to be a cooler day. We'll go from clouds to sun, and any rain will be confined to the morning hours. But it turns cool again, down to about 42, 43 on Good Friday morning. But we'll finish Good Friday afternoon, generally in the mid-70s. So lots of sunshine. There's 4:30 on Friday afternoon, many of us reaching into the 70s. So that's the way things are shaping up. For tonight, though, looking for a low of 57. Increasing clouds, strong to severe storms possible late tonight, winds 10 to 20 plus. Low temperature, 48 Crossville, 57 for Morristown for your low, but 47, 10 degrees cooler in Middlesboro, Bell County overnight tonight. Those are your low temperatures, as I way see, kind of a little different to the west to east. Now that should say Thursday, but Thursday, 68, spots of rain early, clouds to sun, winds about 5 to 10 plus for tomorrow. Here is, this should say Thursday, there's your high temperature. 68 Knoxville, 67 Sevierville, 70 in Tellico Plains, mid-60s for Oneida, low 60s for Jamestown. Here is your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville and East Tennessee. 75, have modified Friday down a few degrees, but still mostly sunny. Still 71 with a 40% chance of showers. Saturday, I think, is partly sunny, but it's going to include some rain. And then 65 on Easter. Most of us are dry. Best chance of rain is going to come in very late. Easter night, kind of like tonight. It's going to be like a 1 in the morning to 5 in the morning, maybe 6 a.m. on Monday, and then it starts to move out. But we're much cooler. We got a sunny day on Tuesday, and if you were hoping that 30s were going to go away, well, not so fast. There's still a chance for some 30s on Tuesday morning. Anyway, make sure you download the Captain Accurate Weather app. Keep you and your family safe. Just search Captain Accurate for the App Store and Google Play. Now with Pete Michaels' traffic, weather and traffic, perfect together and at your fingertips. Just search Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. Well, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.